So I've been able to use a laser cutter to cut out some of my knife blanks. First thing you have to do though is actually design what you want on a 2D CAD package, and I've used LibreCAD, and you can see me designing them on here now. Takes a bit of getting used to, but once you do it, it just saves you so much time, and of course you can just mass produce them. So let's watch this laser cutter in action. Position of the steel.
It will in a minute. I've got to just check the nozzle is correct and the focus.
Wow, I think that's cool.
So the focus is like if you were like a conical guy, like you know, like your bird and ants with a magnifying glass or something that. You've got to concave
make sure it's in the right.
Yeah, and so depending on the thickness of that, you want the point of the laser to be at the layer of the thickness. So depending, so you just got to like against this chart basically. Alright, watch out for your head. See what I mean? It's quite difficult to see already.
Yeah.
And then let's get going.
Wow. Good, isn't it? See, this would have taken me like a couple of hours to get perfect.
Yep. That's why I lasered my sword on.
Yeah, did you? Yeah.
Because I was like, I can get myself to like 95% of the shape, like almost instantly.
And that's it, finished.
Here, this is your end shape, right? What you probably will want to do is like put more material on your shape, knowing
like
that,
put a little nub over the
and then so then you know that you've got stuff to sand away and whatnot, because I'll show you, because basically because of the pressure and the heat at one end here, like it won't, that doesn't look too bad, but it will be pretty tight and you might just lose
the
tips of it. It's very warm, so that's
you can see it's already fallen out.
You can't guide it.
Yeah. Wow. Perfect size though.
Yeah, it's not bad. That doesn't stay, you'll get a shit cut. That, or you see it popped out just at the end, that's fine, because it got loose. But again, it'll be with this one, how it aligns.
That first one looks pretty good, man.
Yeah, it does.
So with stainless then, that says 1.5 mil. Is that right, that chart? Because it can only cut 1.5 mil of stainless. Is that because it kind of bleeds?
I thought we would do more than that. No, I can do 3 mil.
3 mil, right.
Yeah, stainless.
That's the limit then, 3 mil.
Yeah, of stainless.
Yeah. What about like a carbon steel?
Yeah, any of them.
So this is the final product, and of course what's amazing about this process is that whatever you design on the computer is exactly what you get out at the end. It's so precise to within, I think, 0.1 of a millimetre or something. It's really cool. The only downside to this process is that it does leave a bit of a burr on the edges, so that has to be cleaned up somehow. Other than that, pretty cool.